Hello guys, this is DJ Dimaliuat and sa video na to pag-uusapan natin yung 4 types of VUL. Now, for me, there are 4 types of VUL. And pag-uusapan din natin ano yung mga dapat mong alamin about this type of insurance. Bago ka bumili, panoorin mo muna tong video na to. But before that, don't forget to subscribe in my YouTube channel, hit the like button, and of course, turn on the notification bell so that you will get all the notifications whenever I come up with new videos like this. Okay, so ano nga ba yung VUL? Of course, ang VUL, the best way to explain it is it's a life insurance product with investment component. Right? Kung ang financial advisor mo sasabihin, investment siya na may insurance, I don't think it's the right way to explain it. Doon pa lang nagkakaroon na ng misconception na ginagawa siyang investment product. Kasi maraming ibang investment investment plans out there, investment vehicles out there that you can invest. And ang insurance, although yes, it creates an estate, an amount of money kung sakaling something wrong happens, it's really an investment product. Sorry, it's really an insurance product, right? Not an investment product. Ayan, nagkamali pa ako doon. So again, ulitin natin, it's an insurance product, not an investment product. Nagkataon lang meron siyang investment, di ba? So I believe if you will be talking to a financial advisor, dapat yun yung best expectations. So just to set expectation, yun yung ganun dapat ini-explain. You're buying a life insurance, it just so happen meron siyang investment component. No? So sige, pag-usapan natin yung 4 types of VUL according to me. No? So ako, when I talk to people, this is how I will describe it. So the first type is what we call single pay. No, yung one time ka lang magbabayad and then insured ka na, 'di ba? So ito yung medyo hawig sa investment product, para siyang mutual fund because kung ano man yung bulk na hinulog mo, majority talaga napupunta sa investment, then maliit lang yung insurance. And totoo nga, maliit lang talaga yung life insurance, no? So may mga different minimums ang companies. Me, I'm with Film Life. So ang minimum sa amin, ang product namin for that is called Money Tree. It's been there for so long, and ang minimum niyan 125,000. If you have 125,000, you can start with a monetary account, and then you are insured 125% of your money. So kunyari, pag-usapan natin para madaling i-compute, 1 million. So pag 1 million yung ininvest mo or yung binayad mo sa insurance, you are insured 1.25 million. Pero technically, 25% lang nung pera mo yung insurance. So 250,000. Kasi yung 1 million, pera mo yun eh. So technically, hindi yun talaga insurance, di ba? Pera mo yun, ibabalik lang sa'yo. Something happens to you, madadagdagan yung 1 million ng 25%, so magiging 1.25 million. Yun yung mga single pay products. So ginagawa siya, kunyari, meron kang pera, natutulog, hindi mo naman kailangan, so kesa na sa bangko, for example, yun, nililipat na lang siya sa insurance, insured pa. Anything happens, let's say in terms of death of the owner, di ba, malilipat siya sa heirs, di ba? So nakatipid ka pa ng transfer fee, lalo na kung ng transfer tax, di ba? Lalo na kung irrevocable yan, ganon. So that's one of the first. Na yun lang yung medyo malapit sa investment talaga eh. So the single pay products, majority of the amount that you pay goes to the investment part. It's mark to market. It's invested in the stock market through different options, the equity, balance, bond fund, index fund, yun yung 4 main. So yun, ganun yung ginagawa. So sa single pay, but still, it's an insurance product. You're buying an insurance because you want to insure that money and then hope that it grows. And no, so ganun yung nangyayari. In fact, when the amount of your money outgrows yung insurance na insured, technically, wala ka ng insurance. No? Yun na nagiging parang mutual fund na rin siya. Right. Number 2, the second type of VUL, in my opinion, is the one that is protection focused. Meaning, balik-kabaligtaran nung single pay. No? Ito usually regular pay up to age 100 unless withdrawin mo siya. Ang maganda rito, with what you pay, majority goes to life insurance. So malaki rin talaga yung insurance charges. Sobrang liit na lang yung natitira for the investment. So it's not really designed as an investment. No? It's really an insurance product na meron lang konting natitira so that it grows in value. Para lang, alam mo, para lang, kunyari, magre-retire ka na, age 60 or 65, ayaw mo nang ma-insure, no? Wala ka ng dependent, and may gusto kang ma-withdraw, may ma-withdraw ka. Parang ganun. Merong account value na natitira. But it's really long-term. You know, I just tell you a story. When I was 26 years old, so 7 years ago, when I started with Film Life, I bought a policy. You know, ang tawag namin doon sa product na yun, Family Secure. It's still there because it's one of the best products as well. I just paid 30,000 a year. So hanggang ngayon, nagbabayad ako 30,000 because it's regular pay. Ang pay up to age 100 or kung withdrawin mo na siya. Pero ang insurance ko, 2.88 million. So it's times 96 from my, dun sa binayad ko, di ba? So kinuha ko yung product na yun because wala pa akong insurance. That's my first insurance. So at age 26, I bought. Gusto ko malaki yung insurance ko kaagad. So with only 30,000, 2.8 million yung insurance ko at age 26. Of course, lumiliit yung multiplier habang tumatanda. But still, it's still good for an age 40. I think 75 pa rin yung multiplier, di ba? So ito yung produkto na VUL siya, yes, para lamang may savings component. Technically, savings na lang yung small thing na naiiwan doon. Pero majority ng binabayad mo talaga napupunta sa premium charges, pangbili at pambayad sa insurance mo. Imagine you're paying 30,000 and then 2.8 million yung coverage. May bonus pa yun na 10%, so technically 3 million talaga yung insurance ko times 100 of what I paid. Even magbayad ako ng next 70 years, no? Times 100 ang insurance ko, hindi ako malulugi, di ba? So talagang it's a good investment in a way, di ba? Or good purchase as long as you keep on paying that product. So that product is protection focused. Maliit lang yung ihulog mo, malaki yung insurance mo. There are products like that. And then maliit lang yung napupunta sa investment. So some people don't like that, lalo na yung mga first time na bumibili, kasi gusto nila nag-iipon. Yun nga, nakatingin sila masyado sa investment. But you know, when you buy VUL, hindi dapat ganon. It's really more on insurance talaga. And that's what I learned in my 7 years in the industry. I realized, and when I train people as well in my team, I tell them, when you sell insurance, our products in Film Life, you highlight the insurance because again, there are other investment plans out there, investment vehicles that may give better returns. That's true, diba? So, but they cannot get something na nagbayad ka ng 30,000, insured ka ng 3 million or 2.8 million, diba? Yun yung edge. So that's why you buy VUL for the protection part. So that's the second type, protection focus. So kung nandito sa side na to of ALIGN, no, sa side na to yung main sa insurance, sa investment, majority ng pera na binabayad mo na pupunta sa investment. On the other side, the extreme side, doon naman yung main or majority ng binabayad mo, mainly napupunta sa life insurance. Maliit lang yung napupunta sa investment. Para na siyang savings. Okay, let's go to the third type of VUL. The third type of VUL is what I call hybrid. So meaning, mixture ng dalawa. Parang from both ends, nag-meet in the middle. So most products out there na binibenta at binibili ng karamihan ng mga clients and binibenta ng mga financial advisors, yung hybrid na tinatawag. So kaya ako sinasabing may 4 types lang. Kasi nga, lahat ng products na maiisip mo, karamihan hybrid, pinaghalong life insurance at investments in the middle. So merong 5 years to pay, 10 years to pay, 20 years to pay. Usually yan. Merong pay up to age 65. So VUL plan siya, mixture siya, so different designs lang ng products from different companies, but technically you are buying an insurance, then may natitirang investment, hoping na after 10 years na mas nagkumita na yung pera, either mas malaki na siya or pumantay na siya or a little bit less dun sa nahulog mo, so that eventually it pays off, and it pays off the insurance na kailangan mo up to age 100. Kasi imagine, let's say, when you buy an insurance for at age 30, diba? And then insured ka hanggang 100. Kung 10 years ka lang nagbayad, hanggang 40 ka lang nagbayad, imagine from age 40 to age 100, libre na yung insurance mo eh. O technically libre, parang ganon. Kasi ibinayad mo na yun at first, sa first 10 years, diba? So normal lang if mabawasan talaga yung in-invest mo. Kaya nga hindi siya talaga dapat investment. You really bought an insurance, pinrepay mo first 10 years, hoping fully paid ka na by hanggang age 100. Right? So that's really the hybrid. No? Pinaghalong life insurance and then investment. No? Kaya lang minsan, pinapackage siya or tinitignan siya, 10 years from now, mag-withdraw mo na to, nag-grow na yung pera mo. Yes and no. Diba? Yes, there will be times na posibleng after 10 years, mas malaki na yung pera mo sa hinulog mo. But a lot of times, maraming na-frustrate. Maybe ikaw rin, na-frustrate ka na kung naka 10 years ka na. Di ba? Kasi it's not really should be that way. It should be designed as, ito yung insurance mo. No, mahal mo yung family mo, you have to protect yourself, and while you're saving for the future, you are being insured now. Wala kasing ibang insurance or investment product at mabibili mo na ganun. 'Di ba? Na habang nag-iipon ka pa lang, maliit pa lang nag-iipon mo, insured ka na, guaranteed ka na with that face amount. No, kaya nga mas maganda, mas malaking face amount, mas pabor yun sa nag-save or nag-i-invest kasi you are protecting your family and your income. Okay, let's go to the fourth type of VUL. When I started with this industry, tatlo lang yung types feeling ko. Ngayon, nagkaroon ng pang-apat. Around 2015, if I'm not mistaken, or 2014, when 1 year or 2 years after I joined, this is the game changer when critical illness insurance came to the Philippines. So this is what we call health-focused VUL. So, ganun din, mixture siya, hybrid siya. May part siya na life insurance, then may part siya na nag-i-invest din. However, ang maganda rito, nilagyan ng mga, let's say, critical illness component. That's one of the major things. So, in case magkaroon ng critical illness, may makiklaim. Meron ding mga hospitalization riders, naglagyan ng rider. So, although it costs money, diba? Pero may rider ka. Ang dami ko nang nag-claim, almost 10 clients na yung naka-claim sa akin nang na-hospitalize sila. Let's say, meron akong kliyente na tumaas lang yung blood pressure, na-confine siya for 4 days. Yung 4 days niya, naka-claim siya ng 2,000 a night. So, that's 8,000 na naman. I have a client, 3 beses na siya na-hospitalize in 2 years. Naka-claim siya ng 10,000, I believe, per hospitalization. Kasi parang 5 days siya ng 5 days. So, alam mo yon, habang nagsisave ka, habang insured na rin siya ng life niya, meron ding coverage for the health. Either critical illness or hospitalization, sometimes surgery, and all the other products usually nilalagyan ng accident insurance. But that's another topic. Ito mainly health focus. This is what I really loved about VUL. If I were to buy VUL, and a lot of my VULs, laging merong health focused or critical illness or health benefits. Why? Again, if I invest my money elsewhere, let's say in the stock market, business, mutual fund, forex, whatever, wala akong critical illness coverage, di ba? Wala yun. Wala akong health or hospital reimbursement coverage. But here, while I'm saving for the long term, investing, sabihin na natin, I'm insured with life insurance, and then meron akong health benefits, di ba? So critical illness, hospitalization, etc. So that's why I buy VUL. I always look for health focus, and a lot of my clients, I usually give them health focus insurance, di ba? Lalo na kung wala pa sila. A lot of people, maybe a lot of you have already insurance policies, but do you have enough health focus insurance? At least 5 times your annual income. That should be your critical illness and health insurance coverages, di ba? So those are the 4 types. Ulitin natin. Right? Single pay, mainly sa investment siya. Protection focus, mainly protection siya, life insurance siya, maliit lang yung investment. Hybrid nung dalawa, diba? So pinaghalo lang siya. Or number 4, health focus. So hybrid siya, tapos dinagdagan pa ng rider ng critical illness and hospitalization benefit. So, that's how I train my agents, my financial advisors in my team. Pwede ka na mag-financial advisor pag napanood mo tong video na to. Kasi yun lang talaga. Ganun lang kasimple. Lahat ng VULs, pare-pareho lang from different companies. Ang mahalaga yung financial advisor mo. So, lastly, before we end this, let's talk about why are you buying VUL? Ano ba talaga yung tamang reason bakit ka bibili? And that's why I'm glad you're watching this. Diba? You're buying VUL kasi you actually paid an insurance in advance to cover you up to age 100, di ba? So let's say 10 pay lang yan, 10 years to pay, yung iba pa nga 5 years to pay. Hinulugan mo na siya in advance, di ba? So and then merong investment component. So in-insure ka dun sa 10 years na yon, and then mayroon pang natirang pera, at yung pera na yon hopefully lumalago. And it can sustain. Example nga, bumili ka ng 30 years old ka, natapos ka magbayad, 40 years old ka, di ba? Hopefully, by 40 years old, kahit hindi ka na magbayad, kasi nga not guaranteed yung 10 pay, no? Ini-explain nyo ng mga financial advisors, itong paying period na to, this is not guaranteed. You may be asked to pay if in case the market crash down and everything, di ba? So, hopefully, after 10 years, may account value and it grows so that kahit sinacharge ka ng insurance company, kasi sinacharge ka pa rin ng insurance company for the life insurance, tandaan mo, habang tumatanda, nagmamahal. So, tinacharge ka ng insurance, pero the money na naipon mo early on, tinuruan ka nila mag-ipon tinuruan ka namin mag-ipon, can already pay for the cost of insurance na sinacharge doon sa VUL mo. No, doon ka bumibili, yun yung reason. So, during the time na malakas yung kita mo, bumili ka na ng insurance para fully paid na so that hindi mo na siya kailangan, di ba? Hindi mo na kailangan bayaran after 10 years. Yun yung goal. Diba? Or, ang maganda rin pag BUL, just in case talaga merong kang emergency, you can always withdraw. Of course, usually with a fee lang sa first 10 years. Most insurance companies, first 10 years, meron po tayong tinatawag na surrender charges or withdrawal charges. Pag nag-withdraw ka, nag-surrender ka, kahit partial or full, hindi mo makukuha yung buong account value. May charge po yan. After 10 years, usually doon nawawala. Para at least masanay ka na 10 years or more ka nagsisave or kinikip yung pera mo na naiipon para sa'yo. Diba? And if you will just ask me, VUL is really used for long-term goals, not just even 10 years. No, let's say education. You bought something for the education ng anak mo. Ang maganda rito, bumili ka, nag-iipon ka para sa education ng anak mo. Let's say when they go to college, age 18. Kunyari ngayon, 3 years old, so 15 years. And during those 15 years, from age 3 to age 18, insured ka. You as the breadwinner. Kaya dapat ikaw yung insured, hindi yung anak. No? As much as possible, dapat yung breadwinner yung insured para kung something happens, kunyari nasa elementary pa lang, paano mag-aaral yung anak? Yung anak mo, nasa elementary pa lang, if something happens to you, wala na rin yung income mo, di ba? So the life insurance will replace that income and will send your kids to school. Diba? So, nag-iipon ka for long-term goals. So, again, nag-iipon, hindi nga lang nag-i-invest. So, nag-iipon ka sa long-term goals, pero ini-insure kita habang nag-iipon ka pa lang. The same thing with retirement. Now, sa retirement, ganoon din, very long-term. Ideally, you save for retirement, you invest for retirement at least 20 years before retirement. So, kung magre-retire ka at age 60, dapat nagsisimula ka na at age 40. So, ini-insure ka para something happens, hindi ka pa retired, ibig sabihin may dependents ka pa, may makukuha yung family mo, yung dependents mo in case something happens to you and your income. Diba? And kung wala naman nangyari, yun yung gusto natin, nabuhay ka ng matiwasay hanggang age 60, malakas ka, then, nag-grow na yung pera mo, may makukuha ka. So, you've become so responsible for your family during your working years and nagdidepend sila sa'yo. And then, to your future self, no, na hindi mo rin pinabayaan yung sarili mo, nag-ipon ka rin for your retirement. So, in one product, na-solve mo yung two problems. Yung now, no, may insurance nga, kaya nga insurance, no? At least you guarantee something, may makukuha yung family mo. And in the future, when you need it. Right? So, yun talaga yung purpose ng pagkuha ng VUL. Right? So, may mga questions ka ba about VUL? If you have questions about VUL and life insurance, just comment down below and I will do my best to answer whatever that is, even from your past, products and meron kang gustong i-clarify, I will try my best to, to give you some ideas or some answers about that. Or if you have some topics that you have in mind, you have questions, probably I will create a new video, more videos for you guys. That's what I do with my subscribers, with my followers. I wanna, answer the questions in their minds because yung tanong mo probably tanong din ng ibang tao. Diba? Or probably if you would also want to inquire or maybe ask a quotation about life insurance or VUL from me or be part of my team, don't hesitate to contact me. I will leave a description in a link in the description box so that you can contact me in my Facebook page. So with that, don't forget to subscribe in my channel. If you like this video, share this with your friends, tag them, like this, hit the like button, and of course, turn on the notification bell so that you will always be updated. So this is DJ Dimaliuat. See you again soon.